Midjourney allows us to create amazing images with the power of AI by feeding it with the right prompt. Think about AI image generation like a super skilled virtual artist. You give it a prompt, kind of like a description of what you want in your picture, and then this virtual artist gets to work, creating an image from your words. In the first part of this crash course, we talked about the basics of using Midjourney, so make sure to check that out first. And in this second part, we'll dive deeper into how to structure our prompts to get the best results from Midjourney. Let's talk about the prompting template that you can use in all cases when generating images with Midjourney. A good prompt for Midjourney usually has 5 key ingredients. The first part is the medium. This is where you tell Midjourney what kind of picture you are looking for. Is it a photo, a painting, an illustration, or something else? Next part is the subject. This is what or who is in your picture. It can be a sunflower, a car, an abstract image. Next we have the setting. This is where is your subject. Is it on a mountaintop or in a cityscape, close up with all the gritty details, or from a bird's eye view? Next part is the background. Here we can specify what's behind our subject. It can be a sunset, a forest, or anything else. And lastly, we can control the atmosphere. This is the mood or lighting. It can be sunny and cheerful or dramatic, cinematic lighting. Now let's see those 5 parts in action. If you remember, we can use our imagine prompt and then give it our prompt to generate the image. So in this case, the medium is a digital drawing. Our subject is a bustling city. The setting for this is a rooftop view. For the background we have skyscrapers looming, and the atmosphere is the neon glow of light. And you can see how each element played its role when generating this image, and Midjourney took all of the parts into account before generating it. Next, you can adjust the parameters in Midjourney to your specific needs. Now as you can see, by default we are getting square images with an aspect ratio of 1:1. But what if we want to customize it to get a landscape image with an aspect ratio of 16:9 or a portrait image with 9:16 and other things? This is where the Midjourney parameters come in handy. These are like specific instructions you can give Midjourney to customize your image even further. We can control the aspect ratio with the AR parameter, for example by setting it to 16:9 on our above prompt. If we do that, we will get our images in a 16:9 aspect ratio, or whatever ratio you set it to have. And we can also exclude things from our image by using the --no parameter, and whatever you type after this parameter will be excluded from this image. For example, --no clouds will exclude any clouds that we have in our above image. And similarly, you can exclude anything else that you want with the --no parameter. And one of the other useful parameters is the style parameter, which can help you create more photorealistic images and cinematic scenes. For example, if we add --style raw here, it should make this photo more photorealistic. For the complete parameter list, I recommend you check out the Midjourney's parameters tab from the documentation. The link to it will be in the description. And lastly, we can reuse repeating parameters by using the prefer command. Think of it as a shortcut. Once you've played around with Midjourney and figured out your favorite combinations of parameters, you can save them as a custom option using the /prefer command. For example, if you frequently go for high-definition images in an aspect ratio of 7:4, you can save that combo using the /prefer command and choose the prefer option set here. As an option, you need to type a name for your custom option, let's say it custom AR, and as a value you need to type the parameters that you will be reusing. For example, in this case it can be AR 7:4. And then when you want to use it, you just add your custom command at the end of your prompt without having to type the same setting on each prompt. For example, here we can add custom AR, and this will apply the parameters that we set in our previous command. And that's all you need to know about Midjourney prompts to generate whatever you want with it. Remember to use all those 5 key parts in your prompts and use the parameters to adjust the results. For more in-depth information, you can always check out the official Midjourney documentation. Link of it will be in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.